AI can make you a math genius or it can make you terrible at thinking. And these days I'm seeing students use ChatGPT in the worst possible way. They think that they are like quick and smart, but they are actually training their brains to stop thinking. So in this video I'll show you the right way to use AI so that instead of getting dependent on it, you actually become a math genius. So let's begin. I have already made videos on how to get good at maths, but right now we are in a completely different era. Since the AI revolution, the rules have completely changed. For the first time in history, you have access to an insanely intelligent tutor 24/7, never gets tired, and most importantly, it adapts to you. But here's the problem, most students use AI like this. They ask for solutions, they simply copy answer, and simply they are trying to like skip the hard thinking part. And this is not making you like smart and fast. This is simply making you dumb and dependent. So before I show you how to exactly use AI, let me give you the core idea. AI should not replace thinking. It should amplify it. The goal is simple. AI asks better questions, you do the thinking. Now let me show you how to exactly do it. There are 6 simple shifts in your learning process that you need to make, and each shift changes how fast you learn math. Shift number 1, problem solving. While problem solving, the biggest mistakes students are making is asking for the solution first. They say things like this: solve this integral, find the answer, etc, etc, and this is the fastest way to kill your intuition. Instead, the first prompt that you ever use should look like this: I want to solve this problem myself. Do not give me the answer. Ask me one guiding question at a time and stop after each question. And what this does is really powerful. It forces active recall, it builds intuition, and most importantly, it turns the AI into a math tutor instead of a cheat machine. Shift number 2, learning new topics. And this is where AI becomes extremely powerful. If you want to learn any math topic from scratch, for example calculus, trigonometry, number theory, etc., use this. Teach me this topic as if I am intelligent but I have never seen it before. Use simple language and intuition before. No formulas until absolutely necessary. And after every concept, ask me to explain it back. This combines AI with the Feynman technique, like if you can explain it back, you understand the topic, and if you cannot, AI will reveal the gap. Shift number 3, the confusion detector. After you think you understand some topic, do this. Explain that topic in your own words to AI and then say this. Your job is to find gaps, hidden assumptions, or incorrect intuitions in my explanation. Be brutally honest. And this does something that exams never do, YouTube never does, and textbooks can never do. That is, it exposes fake understanding, and when fake understanding is gone, geniuses are born. Now next, shift number 4, intuition over formulas. Most people think math geniuses remember more formulas, and that is completely wrong. Math geniuses see the structure. So instead of asking for derivations, ask this. Give me 3 mental models or visual analogies to understand this concept/derivation deeply. Avoid equations unless unavoidable. You can use this for things like eigenvectors, Fourier transforms, limits, probabilities, etc. The core thing is that when you see the idea, formulas become obvious. Shift number 5, the training method. And this is how you actually get good at maths. You can train like an Olympiad student. For a specific topic, tell AI, give me a sequence of problems gradually increasing in difficulty. Do not give me solutions, only hints if I ask. And then when you struggle, you can say, give me a minimal hint, not the solution. And when you do this, you will feel a lot of struggle. And that's exactly how you learn. Next, shift number 6, personalization. And this is the biggest thing AI can offer, and most people never do this. When you are learning some topic through AI, you can tell AI this: track my mistakes and misunderstandings and adapt future problems to specifically target my weak points. And at this point, you don't have a chatbot anymore. You have a custom tutor no coaching institute can ever match on planet Earth. Now listen to this very carefully. Math geniuses are not born. They train differently. And in this AI era, the ones who use it correctly will be on a completely different level. So thanks for watching this video, and always remember that math is everything.